a spacing from one rib to another, it's 1 meter. Now let's talk about the spacing from one cabbage to another. Also, that you must be able to know where they differ based on the variety of cabbage that you planted. So mine, because it's a medium cabbage, I don't want those big cabbages. I made 30 centimeter because my goal is to have like a medium cabbage.
The biggest mistakes people make when starting backyard farming. Most people don't fail in backyard farming because farming is hard. They fail because they start without a system. And today, I want to break down some of the biggest mistakes people make when starting. Welcome to Inkarhi It's Time, and I'm Kondus, your host. This channel is different. Here, we don't just watch motivational videos and move on. We take action and build the real systems together. From food production, to skills, to entrepreneurship, to self-reliance. And today, I'm going to show you how to avoid mistakes that can destroy your progress before your system even starts working. Starting too big. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to do too much too early. Too many crops, too much space, too much pressure. Then they become overwhelmed. That's why I always say, start small but think big. Master a small system first. Ignoring soil health. Another major mistake. People focus on plants but ignore the soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of everything. That's why I started building organic compost, mulching my beds, improving moisture retention, feeding the soil naturally. Because if the soil is weak, the system becomes weak. Planting randomly. A lot of people plant without structure, no spacing, no crop planning, no organization. But systems require structure. That's why I created pathways, divided my garden into zones, grouped crops strategically, used companion planting. Everything must have purpose. Depending too much on chemicals. Another mistake, trying to solve every problem with chemicals instead of building a balanced ecosystem. That's why I'm focusing on regenerative principles, companion planting, marigolds for pest control, healthy soil, biodiversity. The goal is long-term sustainability. Lack of consistency. Many people start excited, then stop after 2 weeks. But farming rewards consistency. You must observe daily, learn continuously, improve gradually. Systems grow through consistency. The Inkarhi Model of Self-Reliance. This is exactly why the Inkarhi model matters. It's not just about growing food. It's about food production, local economy, skills and education, entrepreneurship. When you understand systems, you create opportunities, not dependence. Don't be afraid to start imperfectly. Every strong system starts small. What matters is learning, starting, and staying consistent. In this channel, we don't just watch videos and stop there. We take action. So comment below, I'm building my system, and tell me, what challenge are you facing in your garden right now? If you believe in building systems for food, income, and self-reliance, like this video, comment, share it with someone starting a garden, subscribe to Inkarhi It's Time, and watch the next video where I will show you how I designed my backyard farming system step by step, from dependence to self-reliance. Follow the journey. This is Kondus signing off. Thank you for watching and take care.
Oh you.